Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see if the Samsung Galaxy A16 has Samsung Wallet. Now, if we open the app screen and search for Samsung Wallet, we cannot find Samsung Wallet on the Samsung Galaxy A16. But if you want to download Samsung Wallet on your smartphone, just open Google Chrome. Now from here, just search Samsung Wallet APK. Now from here, open APK Pure and tap on Download APK. Now from here, tap on Download. Tap on Download anyway. Now from here, it will take a few seconds for the app to download. Now from here, just tap on Open and tap on Install. Now it will take a few seconds to open. Now from here, tap on Open. Now from here, give it these permissions. Now, as you can see, this is how you can download Samsung Wallet in the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.